Yeah, you tell him. You tell that guy whatever you're telling him. She's leaving her car here because bad, what's it called, wheel bearing. Yeah, no, you enjoy your weekend, actually. Where the fuck are you going, dude? Hey.
Spec Miata. What are you doing?
I thought you were roasting that guy, dude. I didn't know if that was like a coworker. I'm like, yo, why are you ripping that guy right now?
How did I rip him?
I don't know. It sounded like it.
No, because he's our regular. He comes in on the weekends with like...
Sounded like you were telling him to fuck himself or something.
No, because we don't need his extra pipe. He's keeping that...
Excuse me?
The racing beat. Can you...
Alright, you have fun baking in the sun. I'm gonna go chill inside, dude. Oh, hell yeah. Miranda ordered these like big pie iron things for camping. I was like, what the hell is this big box? And I was like, it's gotta be the pie irons, dude. Fuck yeah. Alright, so bumper done, right? Besides the lights, bumper's done. I put the other Auxbeam lights back on, and honestly, I'm really liking the way this looks, like not super busy. So I think that solidifies my my decision to not put the top lights back on, and I'm just gonna put the pods, these pods these are Auxbeam pods here. These are the Cube Z's. If you guys want to check those out, they're super bright. These are the combo beam variant. So you got all the tops are spots, and then you got your floods on the bottom. Super bright. I actually have 4 of them. So over here and here. Bumper came out really nice. You know, I just like the texture. You could just do the regular paint, or you could do regular Raptor, but I like the Raptor liner. I'm a big fan of the Raptor liner texture. It's just nice, you know. But I'm not gonna put the top ones back on. I think the grill looks better. The front end just looks more proper, I guess. I don't know how to explain it without that, but without the lights there. But anyways, let's go check on those pods. Let's go unbox the new pods that they sent me, which are the Color Play series. Let's get some good lighting on this. So here we go. 3-inch Color Play series cubes. You can run them like this with the DRL and the blinker. You can run them white, or you could run them with the yellow or amber cover on them. I'm going to keep them amber because I like that was my whole thing. Like I want my corner lights, fog lights, whatever you want to call them, to be amber or yellow. I just call them yellow. But anyways, let's check this out. Oh, thank you, Auxbeam. You know what, dude? That should be enough for you guys right there, dude. Buy from a company who cares. And it kind of sounds like your girlfriend. You got your good stuff over here. Bang, boom. So, nice thing about Auxbeam is they do send you like a full spec sheet on the lights, essentially. You know, pause and read if you'd like. And then they send you a very, you know, very easy, you know, diagramming here. This is how you do this, right? Yeah, so anyways, let's take a look at the actual lights. These are gorgeous. I love these. So here's the white covers. I won't be using the white covers. The yellow looks super nice. I love the diffused like lens, how it's not clear. Like this just, it's so good, dude. It's so good. And you get this big, real thick stainless bracket, which is amazing. Like it's like brushed stainless. Like, dude, this is like a solid bracket. I'm not just saying that either. Like, you guys know me. You guys know I enjoy the Auxbeam products. I'll tell you straight up, those Nightlight ones, no, it was not it. The Amazon lights, not good. But you can, in fact, get Auxbeam on Amazon. So you can check them out there, or you can use the link in the description, which will get you 15% off, I believe, any Auxbeam product on your entire cart. So check them out. But yeah, these are what I got. Comes with the harness, all that. I'm gonna have to edit it a little bit because it's just gonna go onto the fuse panel, and then you have your inputs here for your DRL. But I don't think I'm gonna be using the DRLs on those because these actually have the DRLs and the blinkers. I'm probably not gonna use. Yeah, you know what? I'll probably use them. Why not? Why not? I'll make them blink. So these are essentially your like options, right? So amber turn signal, white DRL. So that's probably exactly what I'll do, because it'll actually just be, you know, it won't be a white DRL, it'll be a yellow DRL. And yeah, but these are the configurations. Obviously you can apply yellow to all this and it's the same thing. I gotta say, these are some super nice lights. I love these. Can't wait to install them. All right, so I'm gonna flip this bracket upside down. Boom. You just do this. All right, got myself a little bolt to my, what's it called? My, you know what I mean? I put the riv nuts there. You know what? I might get a longer bolt. I think I might get a longer bolt. So, I always just get these little assortments of M6s and M8s. I hardly use the M8s, but the M6s, those get used pretty commonly. So, I'll do 2 of these. Those are definitely long enough. And up through that. And then I'll angle that how I want. Tighten that bolt up. There it is. And you take this, tighten up the side ones at the desired angle you want, dude. There we go. So that's installed. Let's do one more. And boom. Beautiful. Much needed upgrade over the one yellow nightlight pod. Now we are fully Auxbeamed out, dude. Every light on this car is about to be Auxbeam. And I have just one more set to change out. Just one more. So if we're counting, boom, Auxbeam. Auxbeam, headlights are Auxbeam, corner lights Auxbeam, reverse lights, all that stuff, everything in the tail light Auxbeam. The only other one that isn't, or the only other 2 sets that aren't, are the rock lights and the light bar, and this would be Auxbeam. They just don't make one that fits in this small slot here, so I'm just going to keep that one, and I guess it's fine for now. But all of my Amazon lights replaced with quality Auxbeam components. Beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and wire this stuff up, and I'm gonna pull this into the shade though, because I'm gonna get burnt if I start wiring the stuff up here. They're all wired up. I've not tested them yet, but because I had Auxbeam lights in here before, they were already kind of like wired up basically. Like these here were my DRLs and my blinkers, but I'm not putting these back on because I personally think this looks way cleaner. And now you can actually see the grill emblem, which I'm a big fan of. It's a lot less busy, and I just think the bumper looks much better without like a bunch of shit. I also have to tighten this up because I loosened it a bit. But anyways, now I have these yellow fogs, like the outside, the color plays. These are DRL yellow, and then these are DRL white, and then these go to, or they should, in theory, if I did everything correct, basically this should be DRL, this should be a white DRL, so yellow DRL, white DRL, and then these and these should also flash for the blinker. So let me go ahead and test all that and make sure my ingenuity is correct here. Which is not really ingenuity, because Auxbeam makes it really easy for you. What do we got? Oh, that looks sick, dude. Hell yeah. That looks sick, dude. Alright. Perfect. Do the blinkers work. Because obviously, some people, they mod this to do the blinking, but I don't like it, like when they do that. So I like that just being amber running light, but I like the clear corners, clearly. I hate myself. Anyways. Perfect, that looks fucking sick. And then hazards. Sweet. Good deal. Shout out Auxbeam, guys. Link in the description. Go pick yourself up some 4-inch QBZs with the integrated DRL and blinker, and some 3-inch color plays. Let's hit the... I got an idea. What did I label these? Oh, the QBZs are bumper. Perfect. And then fogs. Very nice. So this is what we're working with once again for the DRLs. I think that looks friggin' pretty dope, dude. I really like the way this came out with the, now that my bumper is nice and new Rhino line, no more fading. Redid the lighting on it, made it a lot less busy, a lot less rice. Let's hit the fog lights, boom. And now let's hit the bumper lights, boom. Hell yeah, dude. Everything works as it should. Remote for the switch panel. Switch panel is here. That is the KS80 Auxbeam switch panel. Again, you can check this out on their site. My code in the description, it's just my name, just Damian, will give you 15% off your entire cart, not just like 1 or 2 things, but your entire cart, which is quite a big bit of savings. And this is just cool to have. Like, you know, I got those lights, I got my, I literally can't see my light bar, fogs, my chase lights, the bumper lights, and you got a master kill on this as well. They do strobe, they chase, they do all the cool things. So definitely check out Auxbeam. But anyways, let's on to the next thing. I gotta check out my list. Let's cross out some stuff. Let's go ahead and just put this, you can just hang out over there, Mr. Magnetic switch panel remote. Also, if you guys didn't know, the remote's magnetic, so you can just kind of like, you know, put it where you'd like. Okay, so what did we do? I did the front bumper Rhino liner, ABS sensor, moved the battery tray to the left so it's not hitting my hood anymore. Front wheel bearing and hub, I did in the last video, or this video, I'm not sure. Locking hatches, wire up dome lights for rear, that was the last video. What else we got? What else we got? We can do the LED in the tent. We need to do the rock lights. That'll probably wait until it's a little darker out. Quite the list, dude. Quite the freaking list here. But we're closing in. We're freaking closing in. Alright, dude. Much needed little break. Much needed little break. Miranda is at her job currently, doing her wheel bearing, as I said earlier. And she's having a time, you know. She's doing it by herself. Because liability reasons, I can't be, you know, helping her in the shop, which kind of gay, but I mean, it is what it is. So she's there alone, banging out her wheel bearing on the lift, dude. She's getting it going, dude. CRZ Miranda out here fucking changing wheel bearings, dude. I told her it was a fucking involved job, but she's like, you don't even believe in me. I'm like, dude, you could do it. It's just gonna fucking take a while, you know. I'm here for all, like, as much fucking FaceTime consultations as she needs and direction pointing. I'm here for it, but she's very much so like, I want to do it, you know. She wants to do it herself. So it's funny, I just did my wheel bearing yesterday. This is her first time doing a wheel bearing, so again, she's having a time. But it's hot out. I'm gonna take a break until it cools down a little bit more and continue working on this thing. But I figured, you know, I'll go let's go bring Miranda a smoothie, because she like I said, she's having a fucking time. Boom. 2 peachy mango smoothies, as they call them. Dialed. This is where I got them from here. All right, now to Miranda's work to deliver some refreshness and catch her greasy ass on camera. Look at this fucking dork, dude. Hell yeah, dude. Good shit. You look a little dirty, huh? You having a good time?
No.
Here's your giant ass fucking smoothie. You ready to get back to work and have fun?
No. I want some rule. I hate, now I feel like I can relate to Dan. Who makes the car?
What?
Who designs these?
What do you mean? Oh.
Not the
Yeah, but yours is not even bad.
No, some of these things are fucking retarded. Can we talk about the castle nut on top of why?
What?
How am I supposed to fit? I had to put like a fucking floppy, like,
a swivel socket
onto my fucking impact. I was like,
yeah,
this is not cool. Like,
I had to say the same thing yesterday on this
put
one.
a floppy thing on an impact. What What are you recording?
We'll put floppy things on nothing because you're all
So
fucking dirty.
filthy.
I'm proud of you. You're doing you're doing so good.
I'm so gross. And like it keeps pulling out little pieces of my hair. That's
I know, when you FaceTime me, you look crazy as hell.
Oh my god, I gotta feel like a book. I have so much brake dust on my wheels. It's insane. I need to get better brakes, like pads. I need to get track pads.
Power stop's good. Ah!
Oh, you fuck. Yeah, we I think we use typically Paget is Mazda, and Power Stop's good. Stop Tech, Centrix.
Stop Tech's bougie. Don't get Stop Tech. Too much dollars.
Well, turn 14 doesn't have them that expensive.
All right, I'll see you later.
Cheers. Where's mine?
I don't know. You fucked off.
I fucked off.
Oh, it's way over there on the fucking
Cheers.
desk.
Cheers.
Look, she's very proud of her organization. Here, go show them.
I just like being fucking organized.
Show them the whole situation you got going here.
Oh my god. I got many bolts. Listen, I'm a forgetful motherfucker, so you gotta remember or else. There's my car. This is my job. We do stuff here. You're not allowed to know. It's a secret. FBI, top secret agent. I work for the government. I'm a top secret agent.
Okay.
Actual size. Whatever the fuck that means.